How much rooftop space do I need for a solar energy system installation? The two main factors that affect how much rooftop space you will need for your solar energy systems are the amount of unshaded roof area and also the efficiency of your panels. The unused rooftop space will be inspected to determine how much of it can be considered shade-free. It is vital that the rooftop is shade-free because when shadows fall upon the panels, the performance of the entire system degrades. The panel efficiency is also an important aspect in terms of rooftop space requirements because efficiency of your panel is calculated with regards to the area that is occupied by the panels. The simplest way to understand this relationship is to remember that less rooftop space is actually required for panels that have greater efficiency rating and vice versa. Follow the following 3 steps to figure out how much rooftop space you will need. Visit solarinstallguru.com and find out how big of a solar energy system you will need based on your energy needs. For the sake of calculation, let us assume that you will need a 5K or 5,000 watts system. How many panels will you need for them to be able to generate 5,000 watts of energy? Again, for the sake of calculation, let us assume that each of the panels are 190 watts. If you divide energy needs, which is 5,000 watts, by the each panel watts, which is 190 watts, you get 500 divided by 190 equals to 26. So, you need 26 panels for your power generation needs. How much space would 26 panels occupy on your rooftop? Each panel occupies about 15 square feet of space. If you multiply 26 and 15, you get 395. Voila! You will need about 395 square feet of rooftop space to be able to generate 5,000 watts of renewable energy.